friends, hello Divya ma'am. My name is Scientist Ravya. I'm in class 2A and the school's name is St. Mary's School. Today I'm going to show you some amazing experiments and you're going to have so much of fun. Let's start it! But wait. I have to wear my safety glasses because I have fireworks to do. Now I'm ready for the experiment. My first experiment name is Relighting the candle with smoke. For this, things we need 2 candles and 1 matchbox. I'm going to light the candles and we'll see the magic. So let's start this. Now my job is done. Now I'm going to blow 1 candle and keep 1 candle aside. Now I'm going to blow this candle and without touching I'll relight this. So let's start this. You see it, friends? It worked. You see it, friends? It worked. Let's do it one more time. It was so much of fun. But how did this happen? When we blow out the candle, vapor and wax remains in the air. If we apply any heat, it will catch a star fire. Next experiment. Fire goes off without blowing it. For the second experiment, we need a candle, a matchbox and a glass. First, I'm going to light the candle. Friends, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to put this glass and let's see the magic. See friends, the fire goes off. That's very magical. And how did it happen? Still friends, fire also needs oxygen to sustain. Friends, when I put the glass, there was no oxygen left for the fire, so that the fire turned off. Now my third experiment. It is related to this experiment. And the name of the experiment is rising water into the glass. For this we need a glass and color water, a candle and a matchbox. So let's start this. First I'll light this candle. Now I'm going to pour some water in the plate. Now I'm going to put the glass upside down. Now let's see the magic. Friends, can you see the water is rising up? Can you see there? Again, how did this happen? Because of the fire, there was low pressure inside the glass. And water travels from high pressure to low pressure. That's why the water rising up in the glass, you can see it. Now the last experiment. Fire water balloon is the name of the experiment. And for this we need 2 balloons, 1 air balloon, 1 water balloon and a candle and a matchbox. I'm going to light the candle and you'll see the magic. Friends, I'm going to put my air balloon on the fire. Let's see what happens. It popped! Oh my gosh! See friends, the air balloon popped badly. So let's try the water balloon. Friends, this is magic? No, this is science. Let me tell you. Friends, did you see? It didn't pop because water is a great conductor of heat. Doesn't allow the balloon to overheat. That's why it didn't pop. Friends, now I'm done. I hope you like the experiment. Bye.